Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to use Google Excel sheet on your phone. So the device that I use is iPhone XR, and the way that you have to do whenever you want to use Google Excel is open the application first. Make sure that you already installed it by going to the App Store, and after that you just need to go into the search button, and on the search tools you need to type sheet. And after that you just need to go click search. And now make sure that you use this application, make sure that you install this application, and after you install it you need to open it to access the application. Whenever you open it, to use this Google Sheet is so easy. You need to go click this plus button to create a new document. You need to click, but before it you need to sign in with the account that you use for working. Make sure that you use the account that you also use this account for your Google Drive, so that it will be saved on your drive directly or automatically. Okay, so click this plus button to create the documents and prepare the name of the documents that you want to add. For example, you work for the balance table, and after that you just need to go click create. Now you have access to operate the documents. So working with Google Sheets means that you will work in cells. So cells is the combination between the columns that signed by the alphabet and rows that signed by the number. So whenever I click this, so this active part called A5 cells. So this will be a C6 cells. So how to add the information inside of the cells? You just need to choose the cells, and after that you just need to go click this pencils button, and after that you are ready to add the information on the cells. For example, first you need to add the date, and after that information, debit, credit, and total. And now you just need to add every information that you have to create the data. So whenever you are done with your work today and you want to save it, you just need to click this part and directly go back, so that your document will be automatically saved. If you want to open it again and edit or work on it again, you just need to click it to open it and have another work on it. So that's the way how to use Google Excel sheets. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.